You guys, look what I just purchased. And it so far has been fun. I've only been playing with this inside the house, so I thought I would bring it outside. This is the Hover. This is a tiny drone. Look at this, how light it is. And look at all the features. And when I saw the advertisement for this, I'm like, this would be great at my job, because not only does it hover over you, but it also follows you around. And I thought, man, that's great if you're working at a job site and you need to remember, okay, I had this positioned here, I had this here, this wire went here, this went here. This will record it all for me. And then if I have to go to the store to get a replacement part and need to know exactly what I needed, I've got it all right here, either in video or in picture, right? So I've got it turned on. This is actually linked to an app. The Hover has an app. Download it to your phone, and that's how you control all your videos and everything through there.
Follow.
There it is. Let's see how far it follows me. And it's important that it reads you or sees you, right? I don't know if my phone is interfering with it. I think it is, because it normally it comes a little bit closer to me. So I think maybe my phone, me recording it, might be interfering with it seeing me. And I know in the house, it also went higher. It went about, gosh, I don't know, 6 feet. So you're able to use it in your home without any issue whatsoever. How cool is this? I'm gonna go in here, see how it turns around. See, it does follow you. How cool, right? I'm trying to go smoothly so I don't throw the camera off too bad. But yeah, it's doing pretty good, because I've got my phone up and I'm actually looking through my phone, and it's still able to pick me up, which is really nice. Isn't this cool, guys? I can't wait to share this with my nephew. He's 7 years old, and he's gonna love this thing. I purposely waited until he was gone to get this going, because I wanted to play with it a little bit before he comes back and wants to take control over this thing. Kind of like having your little bodyguard, right? Look. Right? It's a little breezy out, but it's not interfering. As you can see, the leaves up there are blowing. It's not interfering with it, which is really nice. Look at that, it keeps right up. The battery, they say, will last around an hour. So I went ahead and bought a backup battery for it. That way I always have a charge going. I'm gonna walk a little faster. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. I've seen skiers. I've actually seen skiers with this, taping them skiing. I actually have a friend of mine who's actually away on vacation, and come to find out, she has one. Hers is a little bit bigger, because she and her kid play around with these things. She's a realtor, so she actually uses this. She uses this Hover to film her houses that she has on the market, because she's more where she sells her homes are actually in Naples, in the estates, you know, so they're pretty big homes. So she just uses this thing around the house, records it, and then posts it on, I think Zillow or Zello. Look at that. I'm gonna come back this way, because I'm coming between the trees. I'm gonna see how she turns. Beautiful. Look at that. You see, the wind's not hurting her at all. Right? Isn't that cool? I think I'm going to post a link to this. I actually purchased it from Amazon. I'll post a link in my bio. Take care.